posted a video the other day coming out of court talking about the new anti-immigrant law and how the prosecutors were going to have some trouble getting their undocumented alleged victims here from out of state. It had a little bit of a light tone, but the new law is serious, and there's something important that people need to know about it, and that's that law enforcement is not going to be able to establish probable cause to arrest people under this law if people don't give them their immigration status. So don't tell them what their immigration status is. Now, there's the right to remain silent. It's more important than ever now because there's no database that law enforcement is going to be able to look to that's going to tell them whether or not someone is here legally or illegally. And that concept is much more complicated than that binary distinction in any case. But as long as someone doesn't give law enforcement anything to work with, they're not going to be able to make an arrest. They might arrest anyway. And the problem is that if law enforcement arrests someone with no probable cause, they'll get to the jail. And even if when they go in front of a judge, the judge determines there's no probable cause and orders them released, well, there'll be an ICE hold in place already. And so that's because when someone gets to the jail, the local jail calls ICE. ICE tells them that they want the person. They put a 48-hour hold on them. And even though the judge ordered them released on the criminal charge, the jail is lawfully now allowed to detain that person for 48 hours while immigration comes to pick them up. And so while staying silent offers some measure of protection, it's still pretty dangerous to be in Florida if you're an undocumented immigrant.